In this video, you'll learn how to change the currency display on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully updated your preferred currency settings to enhance your trading experience. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, locate the profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. This action will direct you to the Settings interface where you can adjust various preferences related to your account. Look for the section labeled Preferences within this Settings menu. In the Preferences section, find the option labeled Currency Display. This setting is crucial as it determines how your balances are shown in your account. Click on this option to proceed with the currency selection. You will now see a list of available fiat currencies. Browse through this list and choose your preferred currency. Keep in mind that selecting a new currency will not convert your existing assets. It simply changes how the values are displayed on your account. After making your selection, you will notice that Binance updates the display values instantly. To ensure that the changes have been applied correctly, return to your wallet dashboard, check your balances to confirm they now reflect your chosen currency. If the balances do not appear to update immediately, you may need to refresh the page. This step ensures that all changes are properly displayed. Once refreshed, your wallet should show balances in the newly selected currency, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.